Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PlayStation 5 as primary so you can share PlayStation Plus and all your games with every other account on your PlayStation 5. And this is easy. So choose the account with the PlayStation Plus symbol next to it, my main account, log in, and then we want to go up to the top and go to settings. Scroll on down under here until we get to users and accounts. Select this, then go to other. Go to the right, and then go to console sharing and offline play. Allow anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media, even when the console is offline. So select this, and then go on down to where it says enabled on the bottom right. And then you should be able to share PlayStation Plus and your games with every other account on your PlayStation 5. It's really easy and simple. And then you can also play offline whenever you get disconnected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Studios.